Folks, we're in New York on a road, on a dirt road. We're going to look at a tractor. I don't know if he told you. Did you tell him? Yeah. Should I tell him?
Yeah, sure. Okay.
It is a 2510 John Deere, obviously. Pretty nice. It's pretty fair price. We looked them up and they seem to be a pretty reliable tractor. So I don't know if he told you, but the 60 busted again. Am I in shot? Was I in shot the whole time?
I think so.
The 60 busted again. Broke the bracket. It blew the alternator and the water pump out. So we're like, we just need a new tractor. Can we afford a new tractor? Not really. But you know, you gotta spend money to make
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto County Route 47.
So anyways, here we are. We'll be here in about 10 minutes. We'll take a look, see at this thing, try to get you some video footage of it. Not positive we're buying it, but
take the next right onto County Route 47.
We're gonna check it over. Got the good old check it too. Better stop.
Continue on County Route 47 for 3 miles.
Anyways, we'll check back with you. And we'll check back with you later. Gators. Well, folks, it's on the trailer. We got it. We're heading back now. About 6-hour drive home. But yeah, we'll show you more when we get home. The guys seem like I'm a really honest guy. I think we can trust them, you know. They use it on their farm, or I think mainly doing hay and stuff. So yeah, I think it's gonna be a pretty good tractor. But we'll find out, you know. But get it home, we'll show you guys some videos, probably get unloaded and stuff like that. We normally don't like to video a whole lot to people's places just in case they don't want video and stuff. So that's why we normally. Yeah, we also forgot. Yeah, I might have thought about it a little bit, but I don't know. We just, yeah, anyways. But we'll get some more video for you then. Final stretch. Got about probably 15 minutes left or so. Thankfully, everything's going smoothly so far, so hopefully we don't run into any more issues, but at least we're getting close to home now. But yeah, it's about all. We made it back safely, thankfully. Yeah, oil spot on that trailer is probably from us from before. Hard to say. Anyways. They probably haven't used it though. Probably what? Probably not. All right, folks, so we got the 2510 back here to the farm. We decided with the 60 we got built pretty good, we think, for now at least. But we kind of wanted a little bit bigger tractor. I mean, you always need more tractors, but we wanted something a little bigger, something that, this is more, you know, has the features like the power steering. It's a pedal clutch instead of the hand clutch, which is a little more convenient, I think. Just nicer all around, newer, more horsepower. So we kind of wanted something a little bit bigger. So we went ahead and got this, and the 60 was giving us trouble. So we thought, well, we'll just buy another tractor instead of fixing the tractor we have. And then we fixed the tractor we have, so now we have more tractors. But yeah, so far it's been a good tractor. This is quite a bit later that we did this. So we farmed with it like the end of last season. So we got it in the middle of last season and we farmed at the end of last season. It did pretty good for us. Besides, we had to change out a hydraulic pump on the front. And we switched it over from a 4-piston to an 8-piston pump. And the brakes are giving out on us, and we're going to do a separate video on that, so make sure you stay tuned for that video. And other than that, there's just a few little things here and there that we did. We're probably going to do a separate video on some of the other minor things that we did on it. But thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed, and make sure you stay tuned to see more content of this tractor. And we have the B and the 60 and a lot of older John Deere farm equipment and stuff, so make sure you guys stay tuned. And we'll be starting hay season here pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.